2, 1, go!
It's our number 4 Alliance versus the number 5 over on the Blue Alliance side. Looks like we have a gear delivered almost to that Blue Alliance airship over on the red. Do they have it delivered? And it looks like they do have the autonomous gear in place on the Red Alliance and the Blue. It's 75-75, directly evened up at the beginning of our driver-controlled period. Each Alliance successfully delivering one gear. Now these teams are not far behind. A second gear delivered to the Blue Alliance already, and here comes the second one on the red. That's all they need to both get their second rotors started. Red Alliance gets that rotor started first. They're up to 115, but Blue Alliance immediately follows. They have the gear, spin up the rotor, and it's golden up on the Blue Alliance side. 115, 115. Let's see who can get their number 3 rotor started. Looks like the Red Alliance is leading by 1 gear. Over on the Red Alliance side, it's Madtown Robotics. They're trying to pick up a gear from their human player. Off that ground, they have the mechanism that is able to grab those gears, but the fuel is causing some interference. The Illuminators have a gear in their machine. They're just trying to get around, lining up on that Blue Alliance airship, trying to spin around to be lined up directly on their gear lift. We've got a second gear delivered to both of these alliances. They're neck and neck, matching each other gear for gear with just over 1 minute remaining. The Blue Alliance gets one more gear. The Illuminators trying to line up on that gear lift, and here comes gear number 4, and there's some fuel in the air on the Red Alliance side, headed towards that red boiler. Their pressure is building. They're breaking that tie up with a couple of points. They're up to 120, 121. That may make the difference. But now the Blue Alliance pulls ahead as they complete their third rotor, bringing their score up to 155. If the Red Alliance can match them, those extra fuel points that they just earned in steam will make the difference. Here comes Red Alliance with their third rotor as they get the final 30 seconds. Red Alliance pulls ahead by 6 points in steam KPA pressure. But now these teams are climbing aboard. Gator Robotics, they're ready for takeoff. The ropes are being dropped down. All 3 blue robots are up and ready for takeoff. There's 10 seconds remaining. We've got 1 red robot ready for takeoff. Both red robots are ready for takeoff. And there's a rope stuck on the Red Alliance airship that did not allow them to climb. But the Red Alliance did get 2 robots as time expired. And those airships taking flight. We have the official scores as the Blue Alliance crosses that finish line first with a score of 3:05. Red Alliance 2.